Oh, this is Emil, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can simply add your company stamp to your Signit account to use it on any document needed. By clicking on Settings from the left sidebar right here, go to My Account, and then go to My Stamps, and simply click on Add Stamp, and then upload the image of your stamp that is saved in your local device. And once it is uploaded, click on Insert Stamp. And now the stamp is added to your Signit account. You can go ahead and click on the three dots to set as default to be used on all of your documents. And you can edit it by changing the name of the stamp itself, or you can delete it from your Signit account. And now the stamp is ready for you to use on all of your documents.